Kia ora, and welcome to this lesson on finding a feasible region. This is for Internal Achievement Standard 3.2, Linear Programming. Looking at our classroom page, you will see some notes on how to find a feasible region. I've got those opened up right here, and you're also going to be using a graphing program called GeoGebra, and that link is found on our classroom page as well. Okay, for starters, you are going to be asked to graph some inequalities and find the coordinates of the corners of the feasible region. And that feasible region is basically going to be the area where solutions will be. All right, so you're just going to type these straight in the way you see them into GeoGebra. And like I said, that link is right there on our classroom page. And where you have the plus symbol right there, you will type in the equation. The first one, y plus x less than 7. Type it in exactly how you see it. Y plus x. And now these greater than and less thans, you see the little keypad down here in the corner. If you click on that, that will bring up your less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than, or equal to, okay? So you type all the equations in, they come up one at a time. If you need to change the scale, you can zoom in, zoom out to make everything fit. And once you've typed all those in, you're going to see exactly that. Okay, there's the equations you typed in. Now, by entering the inequalities as they are, the feasible region will be shaded in. So the darkest area represents the feasible region. And when you screenshot that to show as evidence, please be sure to include the original inequalities here and make sure the feasible region is large enough to see, but not so small that it's tough. It's like your feasible region is the picture, and you want the picture frame to fit it nicely, okay? Now, if you want to shade out, some people like the way it looks when it's not the darkest, but nothing at all. So if you were to reverse the order of each inequality, so leave everything the same, but change this less than to a greater than, change this greater than to a less than, and this greater than to a less than, that will shade out. If you like the look of that, you're welcome to try it, okay? Next, you need to find the coordinates of each corner of the feasible region. So namely, this corner here has coordinates, this corner, and that corner. What you're going to do, you are going to take these three inequations, leave them, don't change them, but you're going to retype them in, but notice now there's an equal sign, okay? You're going to type those three in with equal signs, and then you'll click on those. You can see up here, there's a dark blue dot. If you click on that dot, it will take away, you won't be able to see it. And that's what you're going to do. You've got now lines showing each of the original inequations written as an equation, okay? So now you're going to use the tool on GeoGebra. You will notice on GeoGebra, there's an area where it says tools. One of them is intersect. And when you click on intersect, select the intersection or two objects successively, which means one at a time. So what I did, I clicked right there on the intersection. Click on that intersection, click on that intersection. All right, and what we will see now are points A, B, and C pop up. Go back to view the equations by clicking on the calculator, and we now see the coordinates of the points of intersection. Okay, so in conclusion, you're going to say the feasible region is the area bounded by the points A, B, and C. Give those coordinates, and that's going to be our Mahi o Te Wiki. You're going to be asked to complete those for number 12 and number 13 for our Mahi o Te Wiki. Thanks for watching. Any patai, let me know. Maori mahi, Maori ora, ka kite ano.